What's your view if somebody laughs at you whenever you speak in English and whatever you talk in English? Just tell me, how will you operate this? Because India is the second largest country where most of the people can speak effectively in English. But here is a lot of inferiority complex in our country in terms of English. Because boys and girls, let me give an example. If I slap you, just imagine you are my friend. So what kind of action you will take against of me? Actually, you would not. First, you have a question like this. Ankit, just tell me the reason. Why did you slap me? Just tell me the reason. If I'm not providing any reason, definitely you would, and you can also slap me. Okay. As similar, if I'm going to speak something to someone, if somebody laughs at me, there is one question, not from the others actually, which is going on inside of my mind, why he was laughing at me and what kind of mistake actually I did. Because without reason, nobody laugh at you. So boys and girls, don't take it seriously because you are in learning process. So do not take it seriously. But still you have a question. Ankit, tell me, what are the methods so that we can easily deal with these kind of people? Yes, the number one method, which is very common, just ignore them. But according to me, it's not much effective because if you're ignoring them, they will be repeating again and again. It really affects your confidence. This is not best way to overcome the fear of being laughed at because this is a kind of phobia, which is called glatophobia. Don't do this. And the second method, it's very funny, it's a very interesting, but it works. To be a little bit sarcastic. What does it mean? For example, if you are going to speak something to someone, if someone is making fun of you, very politely, in a healthy manner, just ask them, hey, do you speak in English? Because I want to improve my English. Can you teach me, bro? Always remember, most of the people laugh at other people who are learning something new. It's because they haven't tried to learn something in their life. So that's why they are making fun of you right now. Even maybe they tried but they failed. So that's why they are making fun of you right now. And on the other hand, if someone knows English, they will correct you, but still they make fun. Probably they are not expert or masters because experts never make fun of you, never laugh at others, right? It's a very simple thing. Expert never laugh at others because they know, they have experience of initial level, they have experience of learning process, they know very well what are the circumstances over there. They know very well because they are life learner, they are constantly learning, they are life learner, right? And the last but not the least, if somebody laughs at you, just laugh at yourself along with them and always believe in yourself. It really helps to grow in your life. I hope you like this tip. But still, and last, you have a question like this. Ankit, just tell me why we need to learn English language. Only the one reason, there is no second reason. Just become a global person. That's why you need to learn English language because English is a global or official language.